Welcome back to the channel, folks. Moneystream, aka moneystream.com.au, and we're at one of the shooting ranges here on KOH LARN Island. Just a quick stop just to show you, put all the links in the description. Yeah, shooting range if you want to try your luck. Got the bullseye there if you can shoot it. Cash only here, it says. I got a sign, but yeah, very interesting. There's plenty to do on KOH LARN for those that are feeling lucky. Wow, here we go. Got some price list. Oh, okay.
22.
Wow.
10 bullet, 500
10
baht.
bullet, 500 baht.
Yeah, 38. 6 bullet,
Yep.
600 baht.
600 baht. Yeah.
Automatic semi, 1x1.
Yeah.
KOH 45.
Wow.
Glock 9mm.
Yeah.
6 bullet, 700 baht. Big
Okay.
power, T50, 7
Yeah.
Magnum.
Yes. Yes.
6 bullet, 800 baht.
Wow. Big. Yeah. Real gun.
Yeah, real gun, real good.
Wow.
Have
Thank you.
sniper, shotgun.
Thank you, sir.
Sniper M4 6 hour, 10
Wow.
bullet for 700 baht.
Yes.
Shotgun big one, 5 bullet for
Yes.
700 baht.
Thank you. Yeah, so anyone looking to come out here at the shooting range in KOH LARN, come and see these gentlemen. Your name?
Name? Non.
Non. Come and see Non.
Tuan.
Kontun. Kabun Cup. Kabun Cup. Yeah, come and see the shooting range here at KOH LARN shooting range. Wow, it's incredible, huh? Price list. Incredible. Kabun Cup. Cup. Yeah, come and have a look at the shooting range, folks. Yeah, here at KOH LARN. So like, share, subscribe, throw us a comment, and hope you enjoy the vlogs. And time to go get some beverages, and we'll see you on the next vlog. Cheers.